In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your PC to a monitor using a DisplayPort 1.4 cable and what to do if you're getting a frustrating no signal message on your screen. Whether you just bought a new monitor, upgraded your graphics card, or switched from HDMI to DisplayPort for higher refresh rates and better performance, we've got you covered. But before connecting anything, you want to make sure to turn off both your PC and monitor. This helps ensure the monitor correctly detects the DisplayPort connection when everything powers back on. Once both devices are powered on, locate the DisplayPort on your graphics card and the DisplayPort input in your monitor. And then I want you to connect the DisplayPort 1.4 cable. Take your DisplayPort 1.4 cable and firmly connect one end to your PC's graphics card. Next, connect the other end to the DisplayPort input on your monitor. Make sure the cable is fully inserted on both ends. A loose connection is one of the most common reasons for a no signal error. If your cable has a locking mechanism, gently push it until it clicks into place. And then, remember to select the correct input source. Turn on your monitor first. Using the monitor's physical buttons or joystick, open the input source menu. Make sure the monitor is set to DisplayPort or DP instead of HDMI, USB-C, or another input source. Many users accidentally leave the monitor on the wrong input, which immediately causes a no signal message, and then you need to power on your PC. Now turn on your computer, give the system a few moments to detect the monitor. If everything is connected correctly, your desktop should appear automatically. If you still see no signal, don't worry, let's go through several quick fixes. You need to check the graphics card connections, especially if your PC has a dedicated graphics card. Make sure the DisplayPort cable is connected directly to the graphics card outputs and not the motherboard ports. Now, many users accidentally plug the monitor into the motherboard while their graphics card is installed, preventing any display output. Move the cable to one of the display ports on the graphics card and try again. And finally, you want to make sure to check the DisplayPort version settings. Some gaming monitors allow to switch between different DisplayPort versions in the monitor settings. So if your monitor supports DisplayPort 1.1, 1.2, and 1.4 models, try changing the settings and reconnecting the cable. And this can resolve compatibility issues with certain graphics card. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you connect your PC to a monitor using DisplayPort 1.4 and fix the common no signal issue. Thank you so much for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.